So here we are in the heart of Covent Garden for QVC's very first beauty pop-up event. It's called Glowtopia and there is so much going on inside. Thank you very much indeed. Let me take you up the stairs where you can see we've already got lots of customers here having an amazing time. But just glance around and you'll see there are so many different brands, lots of different opportunities to get advice, to talk to many of our brand founders, ambassadors and all those kinds of people that you see on screen ordinarily. So one of my favourites that I've used for years is of course Percy Reed. Here is Paul, one of the founders. How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, thank you. How's the event?
Yeah, busy. We were run off our feet yesterday.
Were you?
Lots of hair ups and styling, and then today, yeah, we've just opened and we're going to have another busy day.
Yeah, so we've got another little salon over there, which we'll show you in a little bit. Of course, all the products are here. My hero is the Wonder Balm. What's everyone's kind of things they're gravitating towards?
So I think being summer and also being a new version of a product we have, this is our Elixir treatment drops. So these,
using this, it's great, isn't it?
So it's great for hair growth, but also really good to maintain your hair, especially if you're going on holiday, it's getting a little bit dry, highlights.
Are people picking your brains? Like, are they showing you your hair? The hair? Yeah.
It's like anything, isn't it? It's like if you do something for a living, the moment they find out you're a hairdresser, they go, oh, by the way.
Thank you. Right, we'll see a bit later on. Keep coming this way. So we've got Gatineau. We'll talk to Gatineau in a bit because they're doing treatments over there. You're going to come over here and talk to Abby from Ultrasun. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. It's so busy. I nearly knocked a drink off.
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great. I love these events so much. How's it all going here?
Do you know, lots of you have come up and been so excited because you're Ultrasun users and you want to tell us all about it and try different formulations. And lots of new people who are trying Ultrasun for the first time, which is great. So many people into your favourite and my favourite, the tan activator. Love it. So loads of people wanted to feel that on their skin. What does a dry oil feel like? Everyone's loving it.
Natural tan is the tan.
Yeah. Lots of people wanted to try face formulations, see how they feel on the skin. We're also doing face mapping, so we're looking under the skin.
Yes, I'm going to show you that.
Do that because it's really interesting. But we'll have you a great time.
Thank you. There are many fantastic things at this Glowtopia event, but something you won't catch on an online show is this incredible gadget. It's a skin scanner, which is going to show me my skin age. I don't know if I want to know that, and various other things.
Okay, here we are. So we've got sort of like a real nice set of results here, and there are kind of about 10 different areas that it gives us a reading in. So Pippa, your skin is smooth.
Is it now?
So do you want to know your true skin age?
Well, I'm here. I don't know if I want to look.
That's really good, isn't it?
2 years younger. That's not bad. That works for me because
I would take that.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. So this here is the entrance where all these lovely girls are being welcoming to everybody. Hello. How's your day gone so far?
Really good so far. There's lots of people checked in. It's going great.
Are they coming from miles away?
Far and wide, I think.
Are they?
It's great to show them a bit more of QVC and what we're doing.
Yeah, totally.
And it's really nice to see some of the faces of the customers.
Yeah, lovely, thank you. Over here, if you can just peer through here, this is going to be going live a little bit later. This is where we're going to do our TikTok lives, which is absolutely fantastic. So we've built this studio. It's going to be a 6-hour-long show. So you can see Molly and Jess there, kind of preparing what they're going to be doing, the products they're going to be talking about. I don't know what they're going to be doing. I'll come and look later as well. But if we keep coming this way, so this is Lauren from NEOM. I came around here earlier on and I just got this lovely waft.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You've made this place smell delightful.
The diffuser's going, so hopefully
Yes, great.
it's working.
How's it been?
It's good, yeah. It's been really busy. Everyone's been really excited, which is so nice as well.
And what's their favourite fragrance?
So far we found that everyone needs a bit of real luxury, so they're all going for that less stress element today, which is quite interesting.
Love it. Have a great day. I'm going to squeeze through here. And then over here, this side, you can see we've got a pick and mix. Caroline's one of our QVC staff.
So the pick and mix, they get to exchange their token, choose a lovely colour bag out of there, and then they can pick any 10 from the pick and mix they like, and take that away to enjoy.
Fabulous, thank you very much indeed. It's very, very busy. And then we head this direction and you can see the nail bar. So people have come, they're having their nails done. So Nails Inc have done this brilliant combination of glowy colours, perfect for the summer months, great to take on holiday. Anything from kind of peaches to pinks to turquoises and things like that, absolutely fabulous. But whilst we're here, Scandinavian Biolabs, welcome, nice to see you. How are you?
So well, we're all about hair longevity and hair loss solutions. 100% plant-based, and all our products have clinical studies. We've had number one pick at Glowtopia. It's actually our eyelash serum. Very different to our competitors, which are also great, but this actually is a roll-on eyelash serum.
Oh,
So
interesting.
very, very easy to use, and it's absolutely
I might come back and have a look at that for myself. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, Christian. It's incredibly busy here. Hair, of course, is always a massive topic for all of us. So we've got Dyson products being used. Over here, there's the salon where everyone's kind of queuing up to have their hair done. But if we come back round this way... Hello, lovely.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
How's your week going, or your day?
Oh, I'm just loving this.
So we're doing a little facial, but on the back of the hands, and I'm using some of the products from next week's Today Special Value as a little sneak peek. So it's really exciting. And then they're, giving little consultations. They can ask me anything they want about their skin.
So as you can see, we've got loads of fabulous brands here, lots of very excited customers as well. So I think it's time to go and have a chat with someone. So Emma's over here. She's just had her hair done. Her hair's looking lovely.
Thank you very much.
Do you usually style it like this?
No, because I specifically wanted to try out their hair wrap, the Dyson hair wrap.
Yeah.
And it's been so quick, because I think when you're a working mum as well, you need something quick to be able to do in the morning.
I found Janine, who's come from, where did you come from? Essex today. What brought you here to this event? How did you find out about it?
I'm just a lover of beauty brands.
Great.
And I really like taking care of my skin, and I like to know what the new things are out on the market. So I thought I'll come and find out about the brands and what they can offer me.
So what have you found that's new to you?
Actually, this brand here, Gatineau. Yeah, apparently it's age defying, and I'm just having a mini treatment at the moment. So it's like a mini facial on my hands and arms.
Nice.
And my skin was slightly dehydrated, but I can see the difference and how moisturising it is. Apparently it's been around for many years.
Yeah, it has.
Yeah, it has.
85?
94.
Not 94.
I'm so glad I didn't say how many years.
But I love this whole idea of like a facial on the body. Like that's good.
Think about it, the hands are just, an area that really do age quite drastically.
Yeah, and they work so much harder. You could say they work harder than our faces.
Yeah, exactly.
They do, really.
And if you think all the hand washes you use throughout the day, and not all of them are good for you.
Yes.
I've seen so many dry hands in the last 2 days.
So Culdip and I just got chatting. She's been queuing, waiting for her hair to be done.
Yeah, the Dyson.
The Dyson. Have you ever used one before?
No.
How exciting.
No, I'm not very good with my hair, so...
It's a learning curve for all of us. Whatever our hair is, I think when it comes to all the different styling products, you can't just sit down and expect to get it right first time. So this is a great opportunity, isn't it? So how long's your hair?
Just on the shoulder length.
Are you wanting something big and boofy? Nice!
I just wash and leave it, so...
Oh, it'll be... Honestly, it's so different when you actually use a form of blow drying to actually create the smoothness and the body and the shape. You'll be a transformed woman. I will come and look out for you afterwards. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So we're outside, and I've grabbed Carol and Pauline. Have you been in yet?
Yes, we have. Yeah.
I see you have goodie bags.
Yes, we have. We've got all our samples as well.
So are you leaving, or are you not done yet?
We're not done yet. We're going to go down and have a look at some of the demonstrations.
Oh, excellent.
And also there's some talks as well that we want to be interested in as well. We've had a look at some of the stalls, and we've had some of the products explained to us, and especially the Percy Reed, because I was a little bit confused about how to use some of the products, and he's explained to us. And the Ultrasun, I've just found out there's a new product of Ultrasun as well, and that's tinted. So I'm looking forward to using that later.
Lovely. You can have your nails painted in there. You can have hand treatment and all sorts. We'll enjoy the rest of your day. Lovely to meet you both.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So this has been a really lovely day out where we have brought together the QVC beauty brands and obviously our customers. We've had loads of conversations, there's been masterclasses, and it's been a really good way to actually get under the skin of all the different things that we talk about on a daily basis on the screen. So keep your eyes open. Hopefully there'll be some more events like this soon.